Hello, Peter po, your Pinoy accountant. So once again, if you are required to submit the inventory list, if you are a manufacturer, a retailer, or a construction company, and real estate companies, you are required to submit inventory list. So ano ba yung kailangan nyo i-prepare if you are required to submit it? So first, of course, yung inventory list, it should be signed. So the good news is you can just download it doon sa RMC mismo. RMC 8-2023. So nandun yun sa Annex A to C. And then second is kailangan nyo ng sworn declaration. It should be notarized. And again, the form is in the RMC sa Annex D ng RMC 8-2023. And last but not the least, kailangan din natin i-submit yung soft copy naman ng inventory list. I-save natin doon sa USB flash drive or doon sa DVD-R. So either lang. So you should choose USB ba or DVD-R. So next is, ito yung example naman ng inventory list. So Annex A, this is for the retail or manufacturing. So basically, ilang goods on hand nyo at the end of the year, December 31. So ilan ba yung quantity on hand? Kumbaga, for example, you're selling t-shirt. Kumbaga, you have 10 pieces left dun sa t-shirt na binibenta nyo. Magkano yung unit price ng each t-shirt? For example, 100. So 10 pieces yung naiwan. So you have an inventory of 1,000 pesos for the t-shirts that you are selling. So in our upcoming video, we will have more example on that, more discussion on how you can prepare your Annex A. Yung important lang dito is, of course, dapat magmamatch siya dun sa financial statements niyo. And of course, huwag niyong kalimutan pilmahan or you should sign your inventory list. Next is, ito naman yung example ng sworn declaration. So, needed din ito. Actually, it just states that kumpleto and totoo yung sinubmit niyo na inventory list. So, have it notarized. So, yun ang key lang dito is ay notarize lang ninyo yung sworn declaration ninyo. So, yung format nito or yung form nito is it's just nandun pa din dun sa ating RMC, nasa Annex D. And so that it will be much easier for you, will provide yung mga downloadable forms doon sa link ko. So you can just check it out. So yun lang yung video natin for today. Thank you for watching.